Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Most of the time, we need a side dish, and what I'm about to show you is probably one of the fastest recipes. In today's episode, we'll learn how to make my lemon couscous. This side is super quick to make and very tasty. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a saucepan over medium heat, we'll add oil, and when it gets hot, we'll add pressed garlic and quickly saute it for only 30 seconds. Next, we'll pour in chicken broth, freshly squeezed lemon juice, some lemon zest, then ground sea salt, just a small pinch, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir very well, increase the heat to high, and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll stir in the couscous, cover, and remove from the heat. We'll let it rest for 5 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll add parsley, fluff it with a fork, and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our lemon couscous. As you saw, this is easy and extremely quick to make. In less than 10 minutes, you have a delicious side for your proteins. Although lemon is used in this video, orange can be a good substitute. It's amazing with fish or chicken. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!